Relationships in Layer allow you to create a relationship between items in one category and items in another category. So, for example, if we have these room data sheets in my room data sheets category, I can create relationships between each one of those data sheets and items in my products category. So you can see here, this is tying equipment and furnishings back to my products and relating it to each one of these room data sheets. Relationships can fall into one of three types. So I'm going to look at the settings for this relationship field, and we'll talk about those three types. The first is manual, and manual relationships are the ability to link items manually to another item. So for example, in this classroom, I can link products by clicking here, selecting them, and saving it. Automatic relationships allow you to define some type of matching criteria and automatically match up items from one category to items in another category. So an example here is under products, we have a model furniture relationship field, and this model furniture relationship field is matching items automatically. So you can see it's set to automatic, and basically it's matching items based on when the mark in the furniture category matches the item tag in the products category. So you'll notice with automatic relationships, we still have this list of items, but there's no linking buttons. And that's because we're not linking those things manually, they're being linked automatically. The third type of relationship field is a spatial relationship field. And spatial relationship fields identify or expose the relationship between an element like a room and the furniture that sits inside of that room, or the door that's connected to that room, or the window that's connected to that room. Spatial relationships allow you to select the category that you want to match from and allow you to specify additional criteria to filter down these items by. So you can see I don't have the ability to link items manually here. The relationship is just exposed based on what we already know about this room's relationship to this piece of furniture. So if I click on this item, you can see that this works in the other direction as well, in that I have my related furniture for this room, and I can see a list of all of the furniture items that are in that room. Those are the three types of relationship fields that you can create: manual, automatic, and spatial. And you can convert fields to an automatic field or a manual field by just choosing a different type. And so you can see here under relationships, I have a list of all the existing relationships in this category. And this is where I can look up information about those items. This is the instances of furniture inside of my Revit model. And you can see I have a relationship to the product category and a relationship to the rooms category. And I can quickly look up data across those relationships. For example, under product, I could come in here and we could look up the FF&E type. That's a quick overview of relationship fields. We're going to dive into each one specifically in the coming lessons.